Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's August 25th, 2011, Thursday morning here, and we've got the usual USDA export sales numbers out this morning. Corn, the trade was estimating 350 to 700, came in at 536, a neutral number there. Soybeans at 400 to 1.1 million tons was expected, came in at 657, and wheat at 400 to 950 came in at 347. So overall, I got to look at the export sales and all commodities as certainly weaker than expected, and giving us some indication that higher prices is slowing down this export demand. Other news, we've got profit taking going on in the commodities here this morning, especially in the grains, corn, soybeans, wheat, all off anywhere from 4 to 7 cents overnight. And a lot of this is led by the gold market, which yesterday we seen an extremely sharp break, and then another $30, $40 lower here this morning. Right now we're down about 20 to 25 in the gold as we speak. The crop tour that's going on throughout the Midwest here, they're coming in with some estimates here for Illinois, and with the latest numbers that have been coming out of that crop tour, it's suggesting that Illinois' crop is 172 million bushel less than what the USDA used in their last report. Pretty aggressive drop in Illinois numbers. So that is going to be talked about, and we'll have to see just how close we come out to the numbers on this next USDA report. We did have unemployment numbers out this morning. They showed an increase, slight increase, nothing really dramatic, but a slight increase from last week. The main thing that trade's talking about here today, and why we would expect a kind of a consolidation day, is that Chairman Bernanke will be speaking tomorrow morning from Jackson Hole, Wyoming, around 9 o'clock. It's scheduled 9 o'clock Central Daylight Time, and we're the trade and in the grains and in the financials are going to watch this speech and listen to this speech very closely, in that it's anticipated that he will announce some further quantitative easing. Quantitative easing number 3 is what the trade's calling it. And the biggest concern that I have, and we have here at Allendale, is that if he does not announce some kind of quantitative easing, it could have a negative effect on the financials, and in turn have a effect on the grain markets as well. So a very important speech, and it could be very important to the direction of these markets here for a few days. So monitor that very closely. Stay in touch with Allendale on that, and I would suggest going into that report to manage your positions and use appropriate risk protection in order to go through this speech tomorrow morning. In the livestock trade, we've got cutout values were mixed in the beef yesterday, up 51 in the choice, down 47 in the select. Pork cutout values were down 153. We've got some fill-in buying here by retailers going into the Labor Day holiday next weekend. And that once we get through that, the trade's thinking that demand could slow down on a seasonal basis, and could slow down domestically here. However, exports to China and South Korea, Taiwan is going to be extremely critical to support livestock prices here in the U.S. The technical action yesterday, we took out support in the October cattle, closed below that level. Today we need to show some type of reversal if we're going to keep this cattle market in an uptrend. And the hog trade had a sharp break yesterday in the October. They're a little higher here this morning, but near the some critical support areas as well. So livestock are need to be watched very closely here. We're in a time period where seasonals do weigh on these markets, so stay in touch with Allendale Research when you get it comes to trading there, and we'll help you manage your way through that. The important thing that we've got here today is that Allendale is running their annual farmer yield survey. It's important that you go out, take a look at your fields, and then come back, fill out the online survey that we have on our website, or you can just call us and give us the data. That would be very helpful. We'll gather this information through the end of next week, and then the beginning of the following week, after Labor Day, we will announce the results. And historically, this report is extremely close to what the USDA numbers are, and the main reason for that is your help, because you know your fields better than anybody else. So give us a call, or again, go to the website. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish you a very successful trading day. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to call. See you tomorrow morning.